Hello and welcome to MEDWRITIX, your trusted partner in medical writing. Today, we're going to explore the world of medical writing, discover what we do, and how we can help healthcare professionals, researchers, and organizations like yours. Today, we're going to explore the world of medical writing, discover what we do, and how we can help healthcare professionals, researchers, and organizations like yours. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our valuable content. First things first, what is MEDWRITIX? We're a team of experienced medical writers, passionate about simplifying complex medical information and making it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a healthcare professional, researcher, or part of a medical organization, our goal is to help you communicate your message effectively. We pride ourselves on our expertise, and our team works diligently to bridge the gap between science and the public, ensuring that crucial healthcare information is conveyed accurately and understandably. Now let's talk about what we offer. Scientific and medical research papers. Need a well-researched and organized paper? We've got you covered. Regulatory documents and submissions. Stay compliant with our precise regulatory writing services. Patient education materials. Make health information accessible to your patients. Clinical trial reports. Detailed reports to meet industry standards. Health content for websites and publications. Engage your readers with informative and engaging content. Medical marketing materials. Attract and inform your audience effectively. Our work is not just about words, it's about helping you achieve your goals. But what sets us apart? Expertise. Our team is well-versed in healthcare and science, ensuring your content is accurate. Tailored solutions. We customize our services to meet your unique needs. Timely delivery. We understand deadlines in healthcare and meet them consistently. Collaboration. We value your input and work closely with you. Confidentiality. Your data is safe with us. Ready to work with us? Reach out to us through our website, email, or phone, and we'll discuss your project and provide you with a quote. We're here to help you shine in the world of medical writing. Thank you for joining us today and learning more about MEDWRITIX. Remember, clear and precise communication is essential in healthcare, and we're here to make that happen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is MEDWRITIX. We look forward to working with you.